welcome back to the channel. I'm just here to unbox a newer, it's a polarizer filter and some screen protectors. And it's been wrapped quite well in quite a lot of plastic actually. I don't have to worry about the packaging not being sufficient, I can tell you that. Now I don't know if they all come like this or whether it's because of something special for me, but I don't think so. It's come from Amazon. I find a lot of these products, you probably experience it too, but everything has that much plastic and covering on it. Although ironically the camera that I just got, which probably could do with a lot of covering, doesn't have much at all. So okay, so maybe it's just the filter and not the screen protectors, but we'll get it open and have a look. So I bought this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, let's get this open. Quite a few things from Neewer, and I've not really been unhappy with anything that I can recall. Okay, so a cleaning cloth, very good. Let's put this over here. Filter kit for Nano. Okay, some dust stickers, so if you got any dust on your screen, that's going to help you get that off. Some wipes inside here, I can see. Let's have a look at how this filter fits on. So these wipes and these dust stickers will be for the screen protector or protectors. There's one here, I can tell. So we've got, I don't know whether there's one or two in that packet, and there's the circular polarizer. Okay, so I thought it might have been a slide-on affair. So there's a, so you twist it to get your polarization. I thought it might have been slide-on, but it's not. It's actually screw-on, so that means you've got to unscrew the original off your Nano and then screw on the polarizer. Okay, probably for me, I would probably prefer something that slides on top, but that's the circular polarizer from Neewer. It wasn't very expensive. I can't tell you about the quality. This is just an unboxing. Perhaps I'll tell you later. Depends on how much I put it to use and whether I notice anything that's worthwhile talking about. But I think that's about it for this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's a nice short unboxing, and yeah, I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.